Hi everybody, Troy here from Steve Marshall Ford again. Last time we talked, we were looking at one of our new Broncos that we had. I really want to show you this vehicle. It is the 2021 Bronco, but this is the Badlands edition. I'm going to go and I'm going to show you a little bit about what the Badlands edition package has to offer. First off, if you're comparing the first video and the second video, you're going to notice a whole lot more in the way of aesthetics on this versus the mid-level or the base. With that being said, let's take a little loop around and I'm going to show you what this guy has. So come on over here. First off, up front, you're going to notice the Badlands package comes with a nice brushed gray grille and the Bronco stamped to match the color of the vehicle itself. Not only that, you're getting the same beautiful aesthetics that you'd get in the mid-level or the base package. Fog lights down below. You just get a little bit more of an aggressive stance in this vehicle. It looks just a little bit meaner. 360-degree camera, so you've got your camera up front, camera in the rear. One thing where this really stands out is the interior. It's really unique unto itself. When we get inside, we will show you that. But come around the side here, I'm going to show you a bit more. Once again, you're getting a beautiful grayed out rim with the Bronco insignia right dead center. Badlands package, as I said, but notice all of the trim is blacked out. Really makes the color pop. The roof line, black with the Oxford white body. It's absolutely incredible. Same amount of technology that you get in the Badlands package in the Bronco Sport, you're going to see in the Badlands package in the Bronco, the big guys that are coming out hopefully July or August. As I said, there's about 5 different trim levels all the way up to the Wild Track in the big Bronco, which allows you to remove the doors, remove the roof. It's like a big boy's Lego. So come on over, let's take a look inside. So here's what I want to show you straight away. Notice the two-tone leather inside. So you get the nice kind of milk chocolate with the darker black inlay. But up here, you're going to notice where the Bronco insignia is. It feels like a nice suede, which really makes it have that classy feel. Inside, you've got the heated steering wheel. You've got the heated seats. Of course, the full navigation system, where you're going to see your front camera and your rear camera. You've got a power sunroof with the power folding shade, which is really quite nice. But as we move around to the back, what I want to show you is in the back, it's got different storage levels for your camping gear, your groceries, what have you. We expect you to have this off-road just as much as you have it on-road. So let's go to the back and I'll show you that. Okay, notice in the back here, you've got your 2 different layers. Typically in your SUV, you've got that storage cover that's kind of the fabric leather cover that covers up any of the groceries, any of the gifts that you have down below. With this, they want to make it more utilitarian, which means have this actually have a function other than just covering up your belongings. Folds up. The back seats will lay flat, of course. You can hide all of your goodies down below. And when it comes time to cover them up or go back in the mall, you just give that a flip and it's going to shut. Back seats will lay flat. And once again, on the rear end, you're getting the back window, which you're able to open independently from the hatch itself. Bronco Sport badging along the back, really sharp. There's so many ways you can mix and match this vehicle when you're building it. If you're building it on Ford.ca, just go ahead and have fun. You're going to notice 7 different color options. You can have it all one color or the black up top. It's really, your imagination is kind of the limit. Right over here, last but not least, in the back end, there are a few little options that you're getting in the Badlands package that you won't get in the middle package or the base package. Things like you've got zippers with folders, storage folders in the back of each chair. Not to mention, for those times you want to smuggle booze without your wife seeing, that's probably not the proper terminology to use, but when you want to hide something from one of your loved ones, go ahead, you've got your little hidden storage compartment, which is quite deep in here. Put it in, close it up. you've got some safe storage away from prying eyes. Other than that, guys, I just want to thank you for taking a minute to experience the Ford Bronco Badlands package. Once again, this is sold to a lovely young lady. It's going to be here till Friday, so if you would like, come on by and have a peek at it, and we can sit down and perhaps order your own. We do have several incoming, and we should see them here within the next few weeks. So with that being said, thank you very much for taking the time.